Welcome back to another video. Well, today I'm preparing dinner and I'm taking along with me as I do so. So if you want to see how I achieved this lovely plate of food, just keep on watching now. And to all my returning supporters, appreciate you guys a lot. For the newcomers, welcome. So just continue watching. And here is our oxtail, guys. Yes, I'm using oxtail plus beef. Yes, trying to let it stretch. Yes, the prices of oxtail. Wow. But anyway, this is already washed and I'm going to season with seasons of choice. And the season that I'll be using will be on the screen. And I'll put them in the description box as well. And I'm going to season this well and allow it to marinate overnight. Please allow your meat to marinate at least an hour so it can marry with all these lovely seasons that we're using. So I'm just going to allow.
Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak just my mind. Oh.
Yes, guys, this is the next day and I'm cooking my peas. This is round red peas and I have garlic cloves and a little bit of salt. And I'm just going to allow this to halfway cook. Then we will come back and I'm going to start prepping to cook my meat. I'm going to add some oil to my pot and allow that to heat up so we can sear our meat. So I'll add everything, I'll cover my pot and allow it to start the cooking process, and I'll come back then when it's a time for me to explain something else. Just keep on watching, guys. So here we're back around 15 minutes later. I'm just stirring to get all that goodies from the bottom of the pot, and I'm going to deglaze that with some hot water, cover and allow it to cook. And I'm going to repeat that step maybe 2 more times so we can have a nice tender meat. Okay, so just keep on watching, guys. Now that our piece is about 50% cooked, we're going to allow our coconut milk and our season to boil with the peas. Okay, so we're going to add our coconut milk and our seasons. The season I'll be using will be on the screen and in the description box, but it's normal. It's scallion, thyme, hot pepper, some ginger, a little complete seasoning, and a bit of sugar. Yes, there's a debate about that on Facebook the other day. I saw it, but I'm guilty of that one. It tastes very good when you had a little ginger with your rice and peas. Yes, and and I have some pimento seed also in my rice and peas. So I'm just going to stir this and allow it to finish cook. After finish cooking, then we'll come back. And here I've prepped some additional veggies and so for my meat. I have celery, carrot, onion, potatoes, a mixture of bell pepper, tomato and thyme, fresh thyme. And I have a tin of bean, a white bean. Yes, we're just going to rinse that when it's time to add it to our meat. And my rice already washed, and I'm just going to add it to my already cooked peas. Yes, and after stirring well, we're just going to lower our flame, and allow this to steam. Okay, we don't need a clumpy rice, we need some shelly nice rice. Okay, so here we're going back to our oxtail and it's already tender enough. Taste if we need it, just to adjust the seasoning and cover our pot and allow it to come to a nice simmer until our sauce thickens. And I'm going to fry some plantain on the side, and off camera I'm going to make a nice simple little salad to serve with my dinner. So just keep on watching, guys, and I'll catch you at the end of the video. paper towel. My salad is already made and in the fridge. And here is my rice and peas. These cameras not giving my rice and peas no justice. So I have to put a clip on the screen of how my rice and peas is with a photo. When it's photo, I get the true color. When it's the video, I don't get it. And I'm very upset about that one. So here's my rice, guys, already. And we can serve dinner anytime. So just keep on watching. Guys, if you're watching to this far and you haven't subscribed already, please, what are you waiting for? Please tap the subscribe button, turn your bell on so you won't miss another upload. And here is dinner, guys. Yes, I forget to show when I'm steaming my broccoli and carrots, but yeah, that's it. And for the salad, it's just simple. It's just some lettuce, tomato, cucumber, and I shred some carrot and beetroot. Yes, and that is that over there. Yes, all colorful and look delicious in my book. But I need you guys to rate my dinner 1 to 10. Yes, rate my dinner and tell me in the comment section, guys. Yes. So, hope you guys enjoy watching me prepared my dinner. And I can't wait to go and have my dinner. And I'm serving this with some fruit juice. So, if you enjoy this one, please like, share, comment, subscribe if you haven't. And thank you guys for all the support. Yes, I thank you and I appreciate each and every one of you guys. So, until next time, guys, stay safe, stay blessed. Bye for now.